Hello and welcome to day 56 of Bedtime Welsh, and we've managed to escape outside again, so that's a nice relief. And it's time for a new word, and the new word today is a really handy word. It's the word to give, and to give is rhoi, rhoi. So almost as if you're saying HR, rhoi, rhoi. So to give is
rhoi,
rhoi. So I give is
dwi'n rhoi,
dwi'n rhoi. I have given is
dwi wedi rhoi,
dwi wedi rhoi. And then how about I have given something?
dwi wedi rhoi rhywbeth,
Dwi wedi rhoi rhywbeth. You might have heard Ben saying rhoid there. That's a slangy kind of northern thing. If you say that, you'll sound really quite natural, but you don't have to. Dwi wedi rhoi rhywbeth. And then how about let's finish with have you given something?
wyt ti wedi rhoi rhywbeth.
Wyt ti wedi rhoi rhywbeth. And that's all for today. Da iawn, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.